Hello all. Since 2021, invisible virus has started living in our lives throughout the world, and he is in no mood to go either in near future from our minds and body, and slowly has entered our subconscious too. So there is no escaping. What have you done to remember him less? One escape route is giving time to know yourself or observe things. If not started today, and please develop habit which you would have dread and seriously thought of. While walking around a lake few weeks back, I observed how our approach is towards nature. Pathetic. The video shows some pictures which are disturbing, and we don't have to look, but by this you can understand what we have done to the nature. In this case, a lake. If you hear sincerely, you will still see the singing and chirping of birds, which refreshes us when one visits the natural habitats. Do save this for our next generation, children, as they have equal right to enjoy the pure nature. Have your thoughts and write comments, though this is a slight longer video.
Hello, good morning, namaskar, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. This is early December morning, quite cloudy, and today I want to draw the attention of people what we are doing to the nature, to the lakes. Especially the focus would be on the lakes today. And the example I am quoting is of Bangalore lakes, and specifically one lake. What in the process of developing good houses, industries, tech parks, what we are doing. I will not take a very long time. And as the photographs you are seeing are of one of the lakes which are on the verge of dying because of human intervention. And to an extent, we all are responsible for all this because what we do, we use the services, the nature, which doesn't charge anything. It comes to our mind when we are charged by the government, then we feel bad. These natural things provide us a good, what I can say, air, pleasure from natural beauty, birds, different types of aquatic things on, but we are making them die. See the condition of lake, how we are operating. See, this all depends how we look at things. Hundreds of people pass every day, and maybe more than 500 on Saturdays and Sundays, walking on this trail around the lake, which is 2.5 kilometers, seeing this wastewater, sewage water popping up like for last 3 years. And here I would like to appreciate Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister, who took the courage which was found impossible, and because of him I am today writing on this, speaking on this, because it was a Herculean task to make Banaras what is it, 2 days back on December 12th, 13th I say, yes, how it got transformed into use. So do we need a leader for all this? 500 people, CEOs passing by, good IT people, educated people passing, and no one ever raised the questions in specific to BBMP here in Bangalore. How to So we small deeds we can do which surrounds us, and the work that has been done in Banaras should be taken by all people wherever they are seeing the things, yes, in and around themselves which are not in good shape. Try to bring them. I would request you to make comments how to resolve this the first lake issues, so that what we pass to the future generations. That is the question. This sewage water, they cannot breathe. We need air purifiers when during winters in north to breathe. This is social responsibility. It's the high time we should check into all this, and please comment how to improve. Future also I'll try to bring these things into the forum, so that how I can work. I am also a very common man in this, and whatever we can do best we'll try to do, so that the coming generation enjoy the nature. Thank you. Have a good day.
So I request to come forward to save the nature and have a very good day and be social responsible.